What do you see out of Vandy's running backs on film?
Very elusive guys, guys that can run around. They do different things to get the ball in their hand from outside zone to throwing the ball a little bit. So, that's going to be a good task.
How's Corey Johnson progressed, especially since Melvin Lewis going down? How much has he stepped up?
He really has a lot. He's playing in different situations. Played some nose guard for us last week. Played some 4 technique. Played some 3 technique. Just multi guy. They can do a lot and help us.
What about how's Adrian Middleton? You called him your utility guy a couple weeks ago. How's he progressing?
Oh, he's been doing a good job for us. Just like I say, utility guy, get in there and do some different things, move around and help us, give us some depth in different places.
What's the balance between pass rush, facing a lot of mobile quarterbacks lately, and trying to contain a guy though?
Well, anytime you got a mobile guy, it's really hard. You got to be in those lanes and make sure he doesn't get out of the pocket. And but when you have a guy that can't move around as much, you kind of turn it loose a little bit more.
What about Matt? How used to is he getting his role? Like, is he comfortable in his role yet?
I think so. He did some good things last week in the run game and helped us. And then situationally, he knows what he brings to the table compared to what he doesn't. So it really helps us.
Have you seen the young guys step up? With the absence of Melvin and just getting through the season, getting some more experience. Have you seen their confidence increase too?
Oh yeah, they want to play hard for him, and they've been doing a good job with little things.
Is that? You asked about this, motivation to get him to be able to play in a bowl game. Have you seen that from the line some?
Say it one more time.
Maybe Melvin would be able to play in a bowl game. Have you been able to see that from the guys across the line?
Oh yeah.
Try to get him there.
Oh yeah, they're playing hard for him. He comes to the meetings and he's around us, so everybody, and we keep his spirits up, and so he's ready to go.
Is he an extra position coach right now?
He really, he helps out. He helps Matt, and and it helps us, because I got more eyes in the room.
Is there anything specific that he's pointed out to Matt that you've missed or anything like that?
No, not really. It's just that the effort and the hand placement and the working with your feet and different things. So, those are things that he helps encourage Matt with me.
Is Matt's technique improving?
It is. It is. It is.